Welcome back to LGS Cars. Stop scrolling for a second, because what you're about to see is not just another electric SUV, it's a bold statement from one of the fastest-growing automakers in the world. This is the BYD Datang, a next-generation electric SUV from BYD that blends futuristic design, cutting-edge technology, and explosive performance into one unstoppable package. This isn't evolution. This is disruption. Exterior design, precision aerodynamics meets bold identity. The BYD Datang 2026 is engineered with a clear purpose: dominate both visually and aerodynamically. Dimensions and proportions estimated. Length, approximately 4,850 millimeters. Width, approximately 1,960 millimeters. Height, approximately 1,700 millimeters. Wheelbase, approximately 2,900 millimeters. These proportions position it in the premium mid to large SUV segment, offering a commanding road presence with optimized cabin space. Front fascia, clean, futuristic, intelligent. Fully closed EV grille with active airflow management, matrix LED, headlights with adaptive beam technology, integrated DRL, light signature spanning the front, sculpted bumper with aerodynamic air curtains, designed to reduce drag while enhancing cooling efficiency. Side profile, dynamic and athletic strong shoulder line for muscular stance. Flush electronic door handles, aerodynamic side mirrors with integrated cameras. In advanced trims, large 20 to 21-inch turbine-style alloy wheels. The silhouette blends SUV strength with coupe-like elegance. Rear design, minimalist but powerful. Full-width LED, light bar with 3D, lighting effect, active rear spoiler for high-speed stability. Clean tailgate with hidden elements. Sport-inspired diffuser, a design that looks futuristic both day and night. Interior, digital luxury, redefined step inside the BYD Datang, and you enter a fully digital, intelligent environment. Cabin architecture, flat floor EV platform for maximum space. Minimalist dashboard with horizontal flow. Floating center console with smart storage, multi-screen layout displays, an interface 15.6 to 17-inch rotating infotainment display, 10 to 12-inch digital instrument cluster. Augmented reality head-up display, AR HUD. Materials and craftsmanship, Napa leather upholstery, soft touch eco materials, brushed aluminum/wood trim options, multi-layer acoustic glass. The cabin delivers premium comfort with futuristic aesthetics. Comfort and convenience. Heated, ventilated, and massage seats, 4-zone automatic climate control. Panoramic smart glass roof, electrochromic. Rear executive seating, reclining seats in higher trims. Smart technology AI voice assistant with natural language processing. Facial recognition driver profile system, OTA software updates, advanced smartphone integration. The Datang becomes a smart living space on wheels. Performance, electric power without limits. The BYD Datang 2026 delivers serious performance thanks to its advanced EV architecture. Powertrain configurations, single motor, RWD. Power, approximately 320 horsepower. Focus, efficiency, and daily usability. Dual motor, AWD. Power, approximately 550 to 650 horsepower. Torque, instant and massive performance figures 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. Approximately 3.8 to 4.2 seconds, AWD. Top speed, approximately 200 kilometers per hour. High-speed stability enhanced by aerodynamic tuning. Driving dynamics adaptive suspension system. Low center of gravity, battery placement. Torque vectoring for improved cornering. Multiple drive modes, eco, normal, sport, snow. This SUV delivers both comfort and adrenaline. Battery and range, next-gen blade. Battery technology. At the heart of the BYD Datang 2026 is the latest innovation from BYD. Blade battery, next generation, superior thermal safety, resistant to overheating, longer cycle life, higher structural rigidity. Battery specifications, estimated capacity, 82 to 100 kilowatt hours, range 520 to 650 kilometers, WLTP. Charging capabilities, DC fast charging, 10 to 80% in approximately 25 to 30 minutes, AC home charging, 6 to 8 hours, vehicle to load, V2L capability, perfect for modern EV lifestyles. Smart driving and AI integration. The BYD Datang 2026 is designed as an intelligent mobility platform. Autonomous driving features, Level 2+/Level 3 ready. Adaptive cruise control, ACC, lane centering control traffic jam. Pilot automated lane change, intelligent systems, AI-based driver monitoring, cloud-connected navigation, real-time traffic adaptation, predictive route planning, a step closer to fully autonomous driving. Safety, advanced protection system. Safety is engineered into every layer of the Datang. Active safety, autonomous emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, 360-degree HD, surround camera, passive safety, high-strength body structure, multiple airbags, front side curtain, reinforced battery protection system, battery safety, blade battery, structural integrity, fire-resistant design, crash-resistant architecture. One of the safest EV platforms in its class. Market position, a true Tesla challenger? The BYD Datang 2026 is entering one of the most competitive EV segments globally. Key rivals, Tesla Model Y, Hyundai Ioniq 5, Kia EV, 6 Ford Mustang, Mach-E. Competitive advantages, superior battery safety, blade battery, more features at a competitive price, premium interior experience, advanced smart technology. BYD is no longer catching up, it's leading innovation. Final verdict, the future starts here. The BYD Datang is not just another electric SUV, it's a statement of intent from BYD. With futuristic and aerodynamic design, ultra-modern digital interior, high-performance electric powertrain, long-range capability, advanced AI and safety systems. This SUV represents the next era of mobility. And if BYD delivers aggressive pricing, the Datang 2026 won't just compete, it could dominate the global EV SUV market.